IVM detectors present. To connect your Discovery 500, enable Bluetooth on your Android phone. Find IVM 3D Analyzer, click to connect. If asked for a PIN, just enter 1234. Once connected, the Discovery 500 links to your device. In the IVM 3D Analyzer app, 4 main options await: live scanning for real-time monitoring, 3D ground scan for deeper visual results, folder to browse saved scans, and language to adjust the interface. Once connected, choose your mode, either live scanning for instant feedback or 3D ground scan for deeper exploration. In live scan mode, tap Connect, track signal changes live, see detected anomalies directly on screen. In 3D ground scan mode, choose your scan method, manual mode, record each step manually. First, set the step distance, the number of pulses per line, and the number of lines. Auto mode, data is logged at set intervals without tapping. For accurate 3D images with the flux scan sensor, follow a precise scanning method. Always scan north to south. In manual mode, press the button at each step to send a pulse. Make several parallel scan lines for better coverage. Leave 30 centimeters between each step and 30 centimeters between lines. These rules give better resolution and more reliable anomaly readings. After each scan, carefully review the collected data. Switch from 2D to 3D view to better understand the shape of the anomalies. Turn on Show Depth to see how deep the object is, or turn it off to view raw map data. To analyze your scans correctly, colors alone are not enough. The numbers reveal the true nature of each anomaly. Between -4 and +4, natural soil, no major anomaly. From +4 to +8, possible artificial structure. Above +8, potential metal detection. In gold hunting, several positive spots between +8 and +45 could suggest a gold deposit, often linked to minerals like quartz, pyrite, magnetite, or hematite. For reliable results, always compare color, value, and shape. Save all your scans in the app. Tap the save icon, export your data as a CSV file. IVM Detectors wishes you success in your searches and discoveries.